back to Rolling Reed Ranch, Rolling with the Reeds. I'm Ron J. Reed.
Brandy Reed.
How y'all guys doing today? We're finishing up the lean-to, the little hay loft for our winter hay for our goats. We didn't have a barn, so we had to build something to preserve our hay through the winter, and we didn't have anything, so we built the lean-to. So we're gonna be finishing that up today. Me and my wife knocked out a lot of it yesterday, so we're gonna just gotta put up the rest of the rafters and put the roof on, and we done for the day. So let's get to it.
I know a place sustained by just the land, off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends, and you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, goats, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
This show ain't square. It ain't square, but it's gonna work. It ain't perfect, but it's gonna work. That baby is way off. Way off.
No, we can fit another board right here, and then there's just gonna be a little space.
Nah, that's fine.
And you can use the excess of this way.
Right, something. I mean, it's gonna work. Okay, I ain't tripping.
This looks good.
But when this roof, I'm glad that board is longer though, because when we put the roof up here, that'll be straight.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, all right.
This is really good.
Good job, ladies. Me and my wife did most of this today. Put most of this flooring there. We finished bracing the flooring. Then we put this floor down. Daughter just came in on the last 4 boards.
Yeah, I was at school.
All right, we got our flooring down for our hay. Our little hay loft connected to the side of the shed. So now we're gonna go on to the roof. Get onto the roof probably tomorrow. Do a little finish trimming up the edges or whatever, but then we're gonna go on hit this roof tomorrow. We're gonna have this done tomorrow. That roof ain't gonna be much, but I'm gonna have to want to get up on that roof. Thanks, honey, for helping me today.
You're welcome, baby.
Awesome job. Thank you, honey.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you too, Courtney, on the last 4 boards.
You're welcome.
I know a place sustained by just the land, off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends, and you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, goats, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
Lean-to is done. What is this? 10 by 16 area?
Yep.
160 square feet, basically. Time to get some hay. Thank you, honey, again for your awesome work. You worked hard. Thank you very much. This was fun working with you doing this.
It was really fun.
Yes.
I enjoyed it, honey.
Lean-to is done. Now, let's go get some hay. Put some hay up under here. Good morning. Up rolling with the Reeds early this morning. Not too early, but it's almost 10 o'clock now. Well, but we've been up early. It's almost 10, but we've been up since 6:30. Whatever. But headed back home. What we got, Vine?
We got some hay in the back.
Got some hay. Yeah, we just went and picked up some alfalfa, our winter hay for our goats. So went and got some bales this morning. About to go home and unload them to eat some breakfast.
Yep, I do.
See you later. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. Chili, breakfast. Ain't got the cornbread for the chili. It's 10:44 a.m. Cornbread, pancakes, sausage, bacon. Let's just go over this one more time. And chili. Yes, sir.